In number 329 in your classic, for solving radical equations, we want to solve for the variable x. And so we have a trinomial under its square root. And if we notice that this trinomial is factorable, so we can factor this as x minus 3 squared. So we're left with x minus 3 on the left side is equal to the square root of x minus 3 squared. And so that means that we can take this square root and cross that out with the radical. So we're left with x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3. And so adding 3 to each side, adding 3, we have that x equals x, which means that we have infinitely many solutions. So x, if we want to write it on a domain, then we can say that it stretches from negative infinity to infinity. And we do have a restriction though. In this square root, we cannot have negative numbers. So x, when we factor that, this x minus 3 squared cannot be less than 0. So it has to be greater than 0, meaning that it has to be positive. So if we take the square root of that, so x minus 3, taking the square root of the left and right sides, we have x minus 3 is greater than 0. And so x has to be greater than 3. So our boundary actually stretches from not negative infinity, but from 3 to infinity.